The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on an orange fur with a white underside. An apex predator, it primarily preys on ungulates such as deer and wild boar. Sadly, tigers are on the brink of extinction. Just over a century ago, 100,000 wild tigers roamed across Asia. Today, fewer than 3,900 live in a mere 4% of their historic range. The largest tiger population can now be found in India, home to half of all remaining wild tigers. 1. Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris, also called the Indian tiger or Royal Bengal tiger, is native to Indian subcontinent. Although it once roamed a much larger area, the Bengal is currently found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. The Bengal tiger is on the endangered list. It's the most well-known breed of tiger and the largest tiger found in the wild. A male Bengal weighs between 397 and 569 pounds. The female is smaller, weighing between 220 and 350 pounds. 2. The Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger, Panthera tigris alteca, also known as the Manchurian tiger, Korean tiger, Amur tiger or Usurian tiger. It is an endangered species that lives in Northern Asia, that is, China, Russia and Korea, although its territory was once much larger. Even though the Bengal tiger is larger in wild, the Siberian tiger often grows to be larger than Bengal in captivity, making it the largest purebred cat in the world. A full-grown male liger can weigh as much as 1600 pounds. That's 3 times the size of Bengal or Siberian tiger. When Bengals and Siberians are crossbred, they also become larger than their parents. Although the heaviest Siberian tiger has a record of weighing 660 pounds, it's typically smaller than a Bengal. Male Siberian tigers generally weigh between 389 and 475 pounds. Females typically weigh between 260 and 303 pounds. The Siberian has broad chest and large skull. Its thick fur, which protects it from the harsh winters of Northern Asia, tends to be a less vibrant color of orange than other tiger subspecies. 3. The Sumatran tiger. The Sumatran tiger, Panthera tigris sumatrae, is smallest tiger subspecies and lives on Indonesian island of Sumatra. Because it lives only on an island, it has been isolated from other tigers. This has resulted in genetics that are different from its mainland cousins. The Sumatran is a critically endangered species. 2 other tiger subspecies, the Bali tiger and the Javan tiger, once occupied the same area but are now extinct. The Sumatran tiger weighs approximately half that of the Bengal or Siberian. A male Sumatran tiger weighs between 220 and 310 pounds, whereas female weighs between 165 and 243 pounds. Since the Sumatran is only slightly shorter than the Bengal or Siberian and weighs significantly less, it has a slight build compared to its bulkier cousins. The stripes of the Sumatran are very dark and well defined. They cover the tiger's entire body, including its forelegs. Not all tigers have stripes on their front legs. 4. The Indo-Chinese tiger. The Indo-Chinese tiger, Panthera tigris corbeti, also known as Corbett's tiger, is named in honor of famous British hunter Jim Corbett, who was often enlisted to hunt down man-eating tiger and leopards early in the 20th century. The near critically endangered Indo-Chinese tiger is native to Southeast Asia. This illegal trade of tiger parts, which are in high demand, is the main reason for a quickly dwindling Indo-Chinese tiger population. There are only around 300 to 400 Indo-Chinese tigers left in the world today. Tiger parts are used in rituals for meat, internal organs, and to make jewelry, medicines, cloths, and wines. Very little of the tiger remains unused. The Indo-Chinese tiger has narrow single stripes. A male Indo-Chinese generally weighs between 331 and 430 pounds, whereas female weighs between 220 and 290 pounds. 5. The Malayan tiger. The Malayan tiger Panthera tigris jacksoni and occasionally Panthera tigris malayanis is also known as Southern Indo-Chinese tiger. Its native range is Southeastern Asia, Burma, Thailand and Malaysia. The Malayan tiger is very similar in appearance to Indo-Chinese tiger except that it's slightly smaller. It wasn't even considered a unique breed separate from Indo-Chinese tiger until early 2000s. The scientific name Jacksoni was chosen by Honor Peter Jacksoni, who was interested in tiger conservation. The male Malayan tiger weighs between 220 and 308 pounds and the female between 165 and 245 pounds. There are less than 200 breeding adults in the world and their number are still declining. The Malayan tiger has become critically endangered due to the habitat loss and poaching. Like Indo-Chinese tiger, Malayan tiger parts are used in variety of ways from cultural rituals to traditional medicines. The South China tiger. The South China tiger Panthera tigris amoyensis is also known as the Chinese tiger, the Xiamen tiger and the Amoy tiger. It's native to eastern China. However, one has been not spotted in the wild for decades. Although not as small as the Sumatran, the Indo-Chinese and the Malayan tigers and the South China tiger is one of the smaller tiger subspecies. A male South China tiger weighs between 287 and 386 pounds. The female weighs between 220 and 254 pounds. The South China tiger is critically endangered and facing possible extinction. Only 30 to 40 are known to exist in the world and all are living in captivity. In 1970s, there were more than 4,000 South China tigers living in the wild. Now, none extinct. What happened? When Chinese government was clearing land for development, they had all tigers killed that were displaced. Habitat destruction and eradication measures led to discrimination of the South China tigers in the wild. In conclusion, the tiger is an iconic and amazing animal that is unfortunately endangered due to human activity. However, there are things that we can do to help protect tigers and ensure their survival. Thank you.